you say CJ. What are you? What is your own? Check it again. You listen to us. Then go with Black. CJ Rapia, let the chairman. I'm not submitting my own. I won't want to hold here. Because we are in nature and doesn't submit to him. But format did not submit here. I second and then we'll only getting an son. Then my own. Only let you hear one night. On open affair. And they both now. A lot of us are submitting. The only one in the union that submit here. As far as in the union. You might the reason why you get to submit here. What will you in the union? Thank you. When you submit now, get I get it fine. I get it. I took back at what I'm able to stay with the Abbey. One come out today, no. Because they are blue shirt is very rich. I'm not sure they are active, but they are active. You go when? Yeah. Catch it? I am with the time. I am next the guy not the some of us, some nine. Come on, tell them what happened. I will begin to tak makan tempo dah nak hana tu mesti pas. Ini jaya nak. Semua nak ada udah benda nak apa ya. Aku mau. Itu mal tu. Ai kan kawan ni. Ai ada ai aku 5 minutes last week naik. Ai malah bawa ai dan apa nak ya. Ya apa. Ibu kwenu? Ibu kwenu? Ibu kwenu? Ibu kwenu? Coming up from the last minute of our last general meeting, the opening prayer began by Toto.
The opening prayer began by Dr. Villa praying for everyone and progress, for God's protection and guidance, wisdom, and for Him to grant us togetherness and love to live as one brother, in unity, prosperity, and God's mercy. The minutes of the previous meeting was read to the House, and our present account balance to that date, not today, to that date was 13,997 ringgit Malaysian, and a motion was moved by Obi for the minutes read to be adopted, which was adopted. The President began with his speech by talking of the importance of our registration process and the new application form that will be implemented, which we will be using a full data information collection system, which are names, address, and dues, also tallied with the payment system. And if any member misses double late payment of monthly dues, then the association will refuse to offer assistance. He also stressed on the need that if a member will be absent, then there should be a need for an official letter to be given to the union prior before notice of his being absent, or pay the absentee fine of 100 ringgit, which has been implemented by the acting executives. The Vice President, Izu, munched on the point and how important it is for every member to be present on meeting days, devoting time to be present so as to avoid paying the absentee fine. Idahosa tried by getting clarification of the 100 ringgit absentee fee, as he was confused if it's including the 50 ringgit monthly due in question mark. The acting president answered him by saying it's excluding. Idahosa welcomed the idea. The president spoke regarding the donations record, a good and updated record that has been kept so far regarding it. He talked on the donations made regarding free will donations that was made towards Chuchu's situation, and total donation realized was 1,550 ringgit. Also on the case of IK, a free will donation was made by all friends and family and brothers, and a total of 2,190 ringgit was realized. Playmaker asked a question regarding the 100 ringgit absentee fee. He said, how about latecomers to the meeting? How much will they pay? CEO raised a point that is the 100 ringgit unanimous agreement or imposed by the acting executive. He said regarding attendance for him, 100 ringgit is high as absentee fine, except the whole house agrees to it. The chairman answered him by telling him how important it is for us to accept the 100 ringgit absentee fine. It is two options. If you don't want to pay the 100 ringgit absentee fine, then it's better for the member to be present and punctual on meeting days and during meetings. Gallup spoke regarding the 100 ringgit fine that from his own opinion, it's better it's been thrown open to the general members to debate on it before it's been implemented. The acting vice president, Izu, told the House how important it is for us to welcome the implementation of the 100 absentee fine, because as it is for the betterment of the union, even as a temporary avenue to strengthen the union. Onyechi asked the union if it can be reduced below 100 ringgit, that the union should reconsider. Humphrey suggested that every member should come to the meeting, irrespective of a member having money to pay his dues or not. It's better he or she comes to the meeting to avoid paying the fine and not accumulating bills upon himself or herself. He also raised the point on our need to be having multitasking activities during our general meeting. Multitasking activities during our general meeting, quote, I break, is what he said was there should be a table separately for those that will be handling any issue that has to do with documentation or paperwork while the meeting can still go on without distraction. The president also told the members on the need for all to be present on the general meeting without sentiments, that the 100 ringgit absentee fine will be welcomed and make members present so as to avoid being absent and subjected to the fine. Galopi stressed on the point that if 100 ringgit absentee fine is imposed, how about the latecomers? He also wanted the General House to know the requirements for a member taking leave or excuse on travel trip. The president cleared him that the member must present documentations regarding the travel trip. Abunga spoke on the need for all members to live as one and embrace Igbo Union. Ifeanyi spoke on the need that whatever documentation regarding travel trip by a member should be authentic to be able to justify the trip. Ayaya asked if paying dues months ahead is welcome. He was answered by Emeka that even if he wants to pay years ahead, it is welcomed. Emeka also welcomed such ideas from noble members. Abunga donated to the union a crate of beer as he is very happy to remember the union from their Saturday football plays. Playmaker moved for adjournment of the meeting closing. Okay. Playmaker moved before. Okay. Abunga donated to the union a crate of beer as he is happy to remember the union from their Saturday football plays. Obasi Ifeanyi Sento donated another crate of beer to the union as a gift and appreciation for being a bona fide member of Igbo Union. Playmaker moved for adjournment of the meeting closing and was seconded by Dada. Playmaker said the closing prayer and was supported by IK Banda. Ibo Kweno. Mama. Ibo Kweno. Mama. Ibo Kwejono. Mama. Yes, sir. My voice, dear. Okay. So come down to our breakdown, our financial breakdown as at today, just like I said before, as at the last meeting day before now, our present account balance was okay, I already said that before. Let me omit that and then come to our present financial breakdown as at today, which is 25th of June 2016. Our last meeting, which was 28th of May 2016, the total dues payment we realized was 3,150 ringgit. Ibo Kweno. Hey. Our expenditures as follows on entertainment was 536 ringgit. So from the 3,150 ringgit, we make a debit, a minus for 536 ringgit. So it will bring down our available cash balance on the last meeting to 2,614 Malaysian ringgit. Then we take 2,614 Malaysian ringgit, we bring it forward down to addition with 13,997 ringgit. And then an extra, a 50 ringgit due was paid by another member. So bringing our total to 16,611 ringgit. Ibo Kweno. And then we have 611 ringgit. So our opening balance for today, present cash available in our financial record is 16,661 ringgit 00 ringgit cent. Ibo Kweno.
Because I'll find out guy, I won't know how people can go. Oh, think about it. Think about it. Confirm my phone. You will go. You will go. You can leave the work.
Big weekend, Mama. Actually, one or two things apart from we are progressing, but anyway, one or two things in Chorikuna Pasara Ndibu na Malaysia, because I view them things name over a period of time. The truth is that I'm stagnant for some time now. Ndibu no now stagnant. We have to say the truth. Always open up the Igbo Union. These are all able-bodied men, which are family. Thank God I have power to work together to achieve something. But the truth have to be said. My dad does not put the anger when they do area. Ndibu na Malaysia now, after so many years in the Rubuda, they thought that now all the old people who put one or two things have a brain over there, all are the same people. If we just say, in our President, Gavente, I may move by the world. If not, come on, only record here. See you with your back, forget about your president here. We will exist before I form a union. I just want to be realistic here. Like I said now, executive level yesterday, he had the important no waiting on the Igbo Union. My one is Mama who is important. He had important a member who original. So can you understand? Nehe name na Malaysia now. Ndi Igbo ni ne. Nozo obodo na abo. All over na waputazi. Different places. All heaven and earth in Malaysia. So many groups are now put up. The same people make pressure last 6-7 years, but the same group of people can have on business today. The new people are just in they go in and what has it. Where is Casey our stand? Odi here now, I say Kunia. The same restaurant I have for the last 6, 7, 8 years, but the same people never cooperate. Are we increasing? No, we are not increasing. The new people, even the old people they involved, have possibly to establish themselves over there. In case there's one day in a village here, or go from to do in Nigeria, or go patas in Malaysia, so property owner in Malaysia or laptop here, na ticket here, or so as you know when you always in Dibu na Malaysia. So as you know you are having a in Dibu. The issue, get again out of Malaysia, more than that one. Say that one, head them out now heaven and earth in Malaysia. Or reform at a high warrior and you, but about Malaysia. But one thing that na system over there will make you in such a way that now you are going nowhere. I know. That's why most people put around the one, some of them sincerely, how are they happy to push the but the foundation is wrong and it cannot last because all hemorrhage we say our constitution we are working on it. Unfortunately, we had it ready today. Based that now only now handle own emergency like I said before, how can I be ready today? But we hope by the next too. That's why I wait here now standard Igbo. This is the original we have. I don't know some of you guys got there. This is the only thing original association in the Igbo because the original. If you name say Anna compile now. I will live in Malaysia. You go one nigga while you buffer. If for that nigga with a picture here, I need to be Igbo Union. And that's why all this while we have been tracking most of the things in the each business man with the Igbo Union. I won't go outside. Like most of people around the Atom Igbo Union, I went to just stay here in that. Almost formatting higher work, like I said, we're waiting on the Igbo Union. On the doors here, on our cousin, Otos in heaven and earth in Malaysia. It's like I was talking about our constitution. Standard eminent that now for you to be only in Igbo Union. I can move this thing over there. I can want something in the middle of that. Every other person can work with you. is the difference? Outside in the there is a difference. We hear what I hear. Let me repeat myself. There is a big difference. Nobody in Malaysia. In here, na in here, each other. Most of our people not making noise. It's all about in here, each other. Na ebo. Omo bosse. Oboda. Foundation oboda even in such a way that no original. So it doesn't know that. Most of them say I have formula different. I don't want to call every person because most of them they are all my friends. And when is we here now over that? The only property we know over that is your laptop, na BB, na ticket. And we have again we get what friend. But it's not going to get so that we need right hand in Malaysia on madness. Although possible. So ndị na convince bụ ndị village unu na ndị gị na ha dị na Nigeria na agwa ha na heaven and earth na obodo Malaysia. Gị nwa makwara anyị nwa na here mgbada na ihe niile na-akọ onwe isi. That's why we are working on ndị Igbo Union ka ọnụ ọbụla bido work was a lot of things. Bido something. Here trigger here in the book now. I want to calculate that man and my calculator. The how many years I'm managing my company. Road today. Forget. JB don't kick and go with you. I will be the first person that be happy that you started something, no matter how small. Foundation over there, start something. Or put you raise your hand even over there. And ask them what they go. They hope one day in Mazina local government, well and good is for the village, because I'm not work on a village. But the guy is here that's in Malaysia, that's not your ego. Get a kid out of Malaysia. In a go, whatever. What stops you to invest in this country? Mother couldn't get the panel heaven and earth in Malaysia. Ndi Yoruba no Boda. Ndi Yoruba no Boda. I really don't mind. Look at what is happening. Try to get what is happening now. Ndi Yoruba Hopata represent Reha. Anybody broken over that today, Hagapta. Any part of the world, Hagapta. Ndi outside of that represent Reha, need don't mind. Everybody broken over that Hayapata. Everybody broken at the whole world. Ndi Wapata Hana be representing the Igbo. And phone you will address over that. After so many years, Ndi Malaysia fusion and this group. Okay, India, okay. And we say, here, let's have 3 tribes of Nigeria. One, this is how they represent Indigo. And when you get original truth to go to. Because of each neighbor, is a difference. I have to say this. Ndo Bodana, imiti Hana. How are you put one expo on? Next expo is where you are a student. And you go to the expo, they respond immediately, yes. So case closed. The Bosnia has all this for the but I could remember the former Inspector General of Police, Malaysia, was in meeting here. One question as I'm talking to you now, what can they hit him go? That question is, what are you doing in Malaysia? One statement and the open power, bro authority. Question as I am here no. If most of what I go to my business card here, on Indonesia, I want that cause here this is nowhere after. So now I take the card. You want to what the car will so put in here. I'm not looking at him. So these are the type of people when you meet them. Yeah, man over there. Only that you need over there. Only office, more business on them on that general level. But there are situations on that go. It's and this actually get you and them. That name you mentioned and it's here the system goes to system we hear that them. Here I'm not Malaysia on a system. If I have company, I won't tell you about the company limited 500. And it's here a system. And when we do this now, Malaysia for now, that's why we are edge with. It's one of the things who the split of Igbo Union because of original. This last is Sunday, Igbo Union. Most of our executives now they capable. They are doing something. The life of magic cannot take us anywhere. This last ambassador of Nigeria, I made a send off na Royal Chulan, Big Bintan, Nigerian Minister of Foreign Affairs together. Patrick Nkena Kuzina Professor Nkena also we host with the current middleman president now, acting president. We are all there. Look at the Hemre that day because some people don't have that. I need to give all this information. Some people don't have that. Given what happened that day, I was here for the first time in their close. Apart from normal formalities meeting in Nadia. Kind of like this. Was what the ambassador with the other ministers assisted done, whatever. Ambassador Kunye, no we introduce, no one out that day, ambassador of South Africa and Oneke Ghana, no matter please. Only we introduce. Only we introduce. Only we introduce. So all of them back, the message we introduce. That day turned an hour. All of that don't know. Go to the Omaha Sakana. The man Itunya Akoroda, Topia from there. So never that. These are the things I'm seeing because I need marginalization. I need to in Malaysia. My problem is that very soon, the Malaysians, if in the authorities I wanna go, I will go that now. Only a Boni Igbo, only a Wonya Hosa, only a Wonya Yoruba. And the Neko now. Under that, no how they represent in Igbo. My problem is that Hanchani they know me. I'm wondering how I don't have problem with them. But we I don't know. But we here. We cannot. Who is deceiving who? I feel that level we have to talk about it because all nonsense come. All nonsense. I get the one way so. And these are the people. They brought for the hope. All this why I know I have from Nigeria, based on their own network. Now how heaven and earth. If you are here for that, when you are shop, business, on that. So then you continue on that step, make wise noise. On the work of refugee, a bruising man, or one year broom, a butego. Because I'm on that number over there, all that one year broom, you had a gap. The more than I could do Malaysia by now. The more than go. You are fresh and in a boom. I already know that the more future will that because any day drop that the more in the GBO business will that your friends will come and attack you. It's a common sense. He got a which way go. Listen, ndị a na-asị buru nwa je chụwarịa mmadụ na-egosi ivido mgbe nyewa buru nwa nke ya enwere ha na common sense abịazie sị ndị agị most of them I know I'm saying based on at least a week mother I had an office where they complain or whatever ha sị ndị agị ije aticha we nwere problem onye ọbụla adachi gas mgbe aka ị ga it's in mistakes but we are talking about it now. Those Indian making us in how much we see if you go to no invest. Didn't in our saw in us, didn't we saw oil like what you humble and say of milk. Nothing. And what you address in one over that. Here they went up the senior representing Igbo. They win a go uncle where you want Igbo to be in Malaysia. If what a format there, you have walk. Yet now, those people on and my father, they are just making noise because we're root to over that. But with the Igbo Union, Igbo Union, because we are setting a standard. Most of the things in Friday, you need a Friday. I don't know, but Igbo Union, because they've been in it. Everywhere. Because when you come close, if that original. Original. Listen, the difference between Igbo Union or any other association over that, but Igbo Union is working towards something I get present in the Malaysians. Now in Igbo. Other group in America have go see their friends. It happened in Malaysia, which when it happened happen. So you come on, I need to confuse. Go and start something. Ndị mmadụ na-etisi akwụkwọ ha ga-eji wee gbachi akwụkwọ ha ego ha ga-eji ndozi akwụkwọ ha wee jee rentizie moto ha fụfụ ndị Igbo na akwụkwọ ha na nwụsị ka anyhow I would go 6,000, 5,000 you were the school. You were at the grow chair. Every day now compete. I need a patron Facebook. Ego ni ye jugo school. They grow chair Facebook. Can the Nigerian as they go see the ewo thunder balogu na Malaysia. Give me kige yabu. I want to close this speech now. Listen, Mwagende. The story of Ogwego Jina Hawabu na Nigeria. Let me tell you. I telling Ndibo. I call them only one Ogwego. Let me give you the story. For how many years in Biranoboda? Right from the day back to Oboda, I want to be a businessman, and I have been working towards that up to now. My company, my brand, what's happening? They below you are old, or headed portal. And I have a vision. It's just a matter of time. I'm gonna grow like every other person. These people that are here and in there, the system of Oboda Maria that now they can never last. It's just a matter of time. The system will go her. All that time, all in Nigeria, no say nothing on this. Neka, I go Gwego Gesi where rise here in the next 15 years or 10 years. I just here, we are got to see daddy. One man on a no makia. Can you show myself as a example? Can we set man in Malaysia? If one way that I'm waiting there and don't want that if we go to Malaysia, if you are that person. Where got you see papa now that man is what they go no one knows he got it here got it plan no I got it plan where if you don't know where go this is the only reply it goes go them where that now never where Fiji where I had you shine that no one know where go man now ego kia now we change go Diego Jenny in their shop and we more to now Udugoda that big would go to general law. I didn't know about that. In history Malaysia, I did the head in Nigeria as student. That's why also in one over there, 20 years, give us so like an also. Nobody can avoid student. Nobody can avoid that student until our own time I got so I have a student like now I'm going to format in our start something. It's okay. Because I have gone through a lot of documentation. I need to close now. System over there made in such a way that now. And one year I was very shocked. Because 3 officers immigration brand at my place for the first time. I was at an office, my wife had come because they didn't want to wear. I came back. File. I want to let everybody know that now, if you're working towards something over there, system in Malaysia cannot forget you. Even you cannot ask things I never seen that maybe Malaysia don't know that I'm in this country. It's a lie. I'm going to say something now. When you go back, you begin to think. I will help documents like this. Behold, that documents are help documents them system battle over there. System battle over there. I better check it because in an immigration, you can submit your you get the original degree photocopy. So that photocopy and submit it for how many years? That they had that they want to see the originals. Both my son and everything, I was able to provide it. And they showed them everything. Finally, they told me I should go to Shalam and may apply for PR. That's what they told me. That they have checked their system. Now they qualified to have it. Here was something 2 years ago. I have 2 friends. One way you're about to, but never contact one day on where Nudge, or we went there, or the king I know about that, or we went to marriage certificate, you were a Japan nigger, I think 1 million ringgit. Marriage part is for you to stay, or government in that requirement, can we keep document there as well know why? So, me no, but that now, and when you cannot start business on your own without a Malaysian as a director. Oh, we go. So, in a make you say, or they go, we got actually one day, no food that you want one office like KCC. Then I get fascinated, your brother. Because We are stagnant for years now. Magic can I have what this happened. I could remember if my visa. I backdated almost 8 months. Get now. Now was be here, man. Ndos see. How don't you say Rosen Afro? I need I gave us a problem of Malaysia, our problem over that. I can never.
All fingers are not equal anyway because over the only problem I increase it. Yeah, wow. You know, believe them over that. Emarana, you look for opportunity. They didn't touch. You go to your own business. So, guy, you go because no guy. I think go.
Ibo kwenu. Ndị mmadụ ebe a. Ibo kwenu. Yeah. Ibo kwenu.
Micro hana.
Can we bow out the minute of our acting executive meeting yesterday, which was 24th of June 2016. The meeting started with opening prayer said by Alhaji. The key points we raised and debated on the meeting towards the general meeting today are, and then an amount of 700 ringgit was agreed by the acting executive, which will be allocated on every general meeting for the general members and acting executive on entertainment, quote, food and drinks. Ibo kwenu? Yeah. Our Facebook amount I mean is our Facebook amount should value on every prospective advert from interested members and acting executives and other friends and families of Igbo Union members. So what would be the amount that would be applicable to be fixed on the adverts? And then how long is the duration the advert would run for? Will the advert run for 1 week? Will the advert run for 1 month? Or at the due expiration of the advert for 1 month, if it will be renewable before the day of the expiration, or if on the day of expiration another member has already tendered for his own advert, how we would have to go about it. And then conclusion and thanks was given to Izu, the acting vice president of Igbo Union Malaysia, for being able to rescue one of our acting executive member, Onyeka, from the hands of police while he was on his way to attend the executive meeting. The closing prayer was said by Abunga and the meeting was closed. Ibo kwenu?
In English. From that class. The first agenda ihe gbasara tema obodo ọbụla nwere ike na-emepe ọbụla dị na Nigeria enwe ndị a na-akpọ ndị polisi. So ndị uwe ojii, thank you. So I conclude the executive meeting na on my plan I na-emebu since ka anyị mara otu anyị esi ga meet ndị uwe ojii niile nọ na Fuchon. Ka ya onwe member anyị nwere problem ejide ya. Anyị ga-akpọ phone si na anyị bụ Igbo Union na onye awa member ma ọ kpọọ anyị na phone. Anyị na-aga si na ihe Igbo member Igbo Union member ejide ihe a. So anyị na-abịa ha recognize anyị mara na anyị na-aga anyị na-agba ha okwu na-aba ha na ntị. Ama na anyị na ha na-arụkọ. Then na ka anyị na-emekwa ihe anyị na-eme ọdụgoto anyị na-eme ihe onwe onye yiri ara dị ebe anyị kpọọ asa aja abụrụ na onye ha dị ozugbo gburu ya ma mmadụ. So anyị sị otu a mmepe ọnụ ha na-eru anyị tinyere sị anyị ga-egoro ụmụ ihe dị aṅaa Ndị ndị obodo na-akpa ya gịrị akwa ya. Anyị goro ya. Anyị tinyekwa some ụmụ fịrịfịrị. Enwere ahụ si ị na-emete ihe brand sọ. Anyị tinye ya ebe ya. Anyị ga-ekele ha. Lekwe ntụrụndụ ha mara na ihe ahụ Igbo Union. So from there anyị na-arịba ha ime. So I sị ka anyị kọwatara ọnụ. Because eze nwere mmadụ nwere eze. So biko ma ihe anyị na-eche anyị ga-eme ọ dịkwa ọnụ ma ọ bụ na ọ dị mma onye nwere ihe ọ na-ebi ya nwere aka ya ma ọ tụkwa na ọ dị mma.
Uwe ojii na ife a ga-eji kpaa ha aka n'ọnụ. Ajụ m wee bụrụ ị na-ejebe mmadụ n'onye ahụ amabeghị jee kpaa ya aka n'ọnụ ka ị na-ejebe onye maghị ịbata ọnọbata gị. Igbo Union anyị ya na ndị uwe ojii na-achọ ngwa ọ na-asịla ngwa ha amatago na onwere ihe dị Igbo Union tupu ya ejebe ọ na-adị mma ịchọrọ ime ihe eme ya n'usoro formality na-adị mma na organization no matter how big or small. So otu anyị enwekwara ihe na Igbo Union mbọ ndị isi anyị ga-agbagodo bụ iregister ya Igbo Union as a corporate or an informal venture, non-profit organization, because all in all, by guarantee the akwụkwọ, ị na-ejesi ife mmadụ ikwu aka amara n'ebe ọ bụrụ ibe agabata mmadụ were envelope mmadụ were amaghị ebe ihe ọgwụ utrapada na for instance enwekwara na ọkwa ndị but ọ bụghị Igbo Union utrapada nọ n'ozi under Igbo Union now mana ndị uwe ojii nọ side ahụ na their headquarters na Abamas anta niile ma nwere union dịka because na ndị executive ebe ahụ they work up it's not that today they are very distant those days they are movement. Then when officials that you need to formally notify about the duty so that they even but those people that will be accountable and responsible for whatever. So I join our war. Mama Kayo, open up Mama Kayo, see how good you know me, I can not be a best fight. They will ever be now, Bambo, Kahamatari, Igbo Union. Never exists with that. Open them and go all the problem. Thank you.
Igbo Queen.
Afage.
Okay, more cute,
Abonyo.
So, how we have notification?
Speak out.
How we have notification? Yeah, you decide the other thing. Some individuals, they may be. If you have hampers, senior card, you have a celebration card. They are happy at the riot. Senior phone number, how much I need again? Haga buy. When you why, we open another station. Was something presentable. Amaluna, open on idea. Then I know our future. I want our future, and I believe in Haga they happy because they are tired of us. Then, after some time, one guy is over there. Who's going to see a this is not Chopana. This is not because a lot of people they complain. Some people there with phone, go to SIM card, they call police, and also good there about what the SIM card, the police are what they have also go and the hammer no that keep the MFI. So you have a kind of notification. So what you did, they worry about that one. At least have an idea now. A lot of people get those things. So I think we have an idea and how they expect something like this from us. Only the name, I'm not the name, but how am I not to do that? Thank you very much.
Okay, that's go mama. From Richard Ojeje.
Yeah, first no, sir, yeah, first.
Whatever eventually you talk about European police staff now, executive conclusion. on this issue. Well, all of conclude ya. All of conclude ya open. I give back. Always do suggestion. Again, this is story. I got my family. But they would take it. I'm on the group. I feel like I got. Yeah, you know. Sakura makura no tara you know. That man that came in no that day. That is how friendship start. When you start na dey man dey one. All of you dey say you go deep. All you very good idea dey one. Ndi go man. Kelewan. Rien. One. Son. Wa okunchare umbo time media meeting aga mo nyangba. Ndo kama introduction. So humble John. Okay, see crazy. Oh, hey my brother uncle. Them mandaka ndeke akalono. All them man. But them want to jumbo. This organization now, Nigerian embassy, they were word of it. The Otula Gala say Nigerian embassy, Mbeba Hani Umbo number 1. Because airport of Pacheke, Jagawa Toilet. Nigerian embassy, Adila were aware. They are not to no Katachabu, so Nishi, Madla, Madato, Uno Libre, this form. Kaja meet here, Nigerian embassy. For what through, Belequa, who from Lobuno, Belequa for community to look to the form. Then before, and then we just Nagari to Gendo to the Nigerian embassy. I just speak an event.
Online has not been at today. And I actually didn't know they had before. Oh, boy, I wait. They don't know. They got here that day. If they say the next one, it was it embassy but now let me clear all this things because I talk to me to you over here. Indian embassy don't want even Indian embassy don't want any go here. I'm not going to mess with because in this year, official one. We can't be faster than our ship. Also hard try. We are working on our registration. Our origin meeting the embassy. Guamakibo Union. In Ghana, Asop here. Man, the issue, but I already register Union direct to Malaysian government. All things I gather now. Of course, the embassy get one idea. Hey, we got an idea, but I'm official. We are focusing on the major. Hindi the minor because if they don't minor there. Mina, the vice president, the acting president now, the current interim president, he opened up a union. Even like personal, oh wow, never one because not just here what selection can a better place. They represent it because African they represent the Yoruba, they represent the now somebody in an office, many to make problems in Nigeria. Now, fortunately, no when the Yoruba are present here. Now, he ended up being the interim president of Nidomai. I'm talking about him in a bank every day. So, here because I'm the executive. I just want to open up now here was all this thing. In case we're here because Abraham no first what I'm saying enjoyable. They will know how I represent Indigo because I have to go in their ahoptara. Fundi Yoruba, like I was saying, the Yoruba one address, and there was someone address. Ndigo enjoy the acting president. Get on this where personal how I represent Indigo. No fam. You're surrounded that now. Has no Ndigo center. Okay. Now, being that now, you hear something I want in Nigeria. Or guy that challenge you when you walk around has no one Ndigo. But one thing I told him now for no book. Now, how I want to have to select those people so now how they represent Ndigo. He just select another one. So only one we have a road that can represent. Otherwise, he didn't know about joke. Going for that position. Patrick Abogo, you want a problem of association DJ new. So I got my knock at a map. We have no good. But something happened. About that no so that and you will go and so hang it in there. Not the I will say fake. There is yet in Europe, just all right. New Europe and there was just all right. So that's why my executive meeting like this, we talk about it. So those people not charging around that place. Why I don't want to disturb them because I want that they will future over there. Because most of them are not channel. If they don't hear it's not one at in Dibu. So now Malaysia, when you don't have what's not protect, don't they want to go? So now Malaysia, when you don't want to do over there, so don't want to Dibu. Dibu go away from Malaysia. These people are my friends. I told me take care personal, but we have to say it original because I know we are one Igbo union. Like I go and and you brand a church over there. For example, apart from that now, Ohanes is that we had the case in Igbo outside Nigeria. Any do don't want I already know go over that before you want something doing. Up at an office government or prime minister or when we address no them go. Oh yeah, anything. No your brown here. Now somewhere here. Why was this show? Here we you know, that's why we say that Igbo you know, and we had a show over there. This is the only union. I'm tracking this information. The only union at the whole world. Put me name my account every month, every sitting of their meeting. Because I'm an Igbo here was a go. Mbambari our treasurer na ike agemi otu ogbuefi simba ka u maka ogbuefi. I heard maybe before but Igbo you know Malaysia bidoria. So it's an applause on our side. Then any other thing I can listen to. The only India can only I actually but I like you said, Humphrey, the package I now work on. Here about celebration, more than a celebration. In here and power, whatever here. That one, the package we are working on it. I have Webu Express. Needing another one you must call. So cool on down. I know that is your point here, but on this area, for I not run already Igbo you know. You need to remember. I don't know a book and a book. I have up every month now. So we're gonna work it out. But you're gonna not see so. If you are get to because that's what
because Afambo Abuchi Chukwu aka they lost in one in Malaysia, Nigeria, all over the world. You come where you can walk through your more light, so you know my life. One of the more Humphrey in Kwamaka, one of the Kwamaka. Because you had a mirror. Nine guy from there. I'm very not just guy make a camera that's handy. Guys, none of them. Half one eye, move for them. Then we can go on when one night working or anybody before you today knows. I and I got half one and a four. Boy, union. That's that one way today. On your head, they knows. I say, I go ya born number. I born number, I suppose, India, I say, okay, I bought a some of you know. When you remember, I got okay, where back I guess in your boy, oh, man, I can't have why I go in the guy. I didn't hear why you. I never why you're not an idea. I would have you won't know when they got out of Kahani. Ndị Yoruba ka Thomas Loko nyere nwa aka. Ndị ọzọ nyere nwa aka. Anyị hụ ndị Igbo ka nyere nwa aka. Fọdụrụ anyị na mbụ. Ka anyị wee too n'ịtụ egwu nke Chineke. Ekwuchala m n'aha Jizọs.
Mama, Zalo.
Order.
achọrọ ịdịkọta ihe niile ahụ ajụjụ ọkara ajụjụ Amarachukwu Humphrey dị na-atụ aka kenyere ahụ erebere ụlọ ihe ajụjụ ị jụrụ mara mma mana ndị Igbo si nnọọ dị iche nnọọ nwanne m dị iche ha na-apụ aka mara ebido ọgụ gị na mmadụ gbawa mgbe ị ga-ekwu uche aka dịfe ya nụwa a na-eji ime iji ha ọ bụgoro na Naịjirịa dịfọ emere ndị eke enyi ihe ya abụgoro gị n'aka ọ bụrụ na ka ta gara agba anyị nna na anyị Igbo Union anyị rejista go for that anyị kpọrọ na fon ụnụ ya na-azụ anyị a na-akwụ one ọ ya ahụhụ ya ndị oyibo si journey of 1,000 miles starts with what one step na agbachikwa m slate m na so ọ ya bụ ihe anyị na-eme ihe a anyị na-achọ iso ihe niile usoro nwayọọ nwayọọ because nwanne ọnọkwa n'ọchịchị ehi ya chi emechi obere taa na-achọba ya ụtọ so anyị ekuru down were mee ihe anyị ka ọ ghara anyị mechaa ya ọhịawa anyị ahụ iche go other people form a club and every other organization now this Malaysia okay for instance Chong yes ndị Nigerian embassy na where I am oge ahụ pụtara a na-akpọ ndị ga-adị represent ndị akpọ the president si ya na ndị na ọkwara na ndị ahụ ndị Igbo pụtara anyị ga represent ndị universities and then go die is no die for die and then back of the die is no die is no die at this is the guy is very well I am no I have to stay how I do never do that how much I but that's how so every other thing what also want to go I do in terms of this follow up no time
go mama after more for Emmanuel Lemeka
Alias.
Executive one when actually in military job more support the actual I want to get a card from Igbo Malaysia. CBA will be had a
Biko, onye na confused. A na-eme ha dryer. Here we hamper actually jinye ndị eke. Official one I agency because we are working towards excuse me, ndị eke nye anyị number. Because a na-ekwu Igbo Union. Ihe na work ka nkuzi ya onye ọbụla aghọta. Ọ bụghị ụdị relationship and other people nwere with ndị eke ka na work. Ha na-achị official one anyị aga bụ ndị eke nye anyị number. Ụbọchị ọbụla ihe ọbụla wara antara na ya appoint onye a si bụ na onye a ụkwụ gị ga-emetụ Moletla Mohammed airport. That's the only thing na ọbụrụ ụmụ onye dị na enwere ebe we have to reach agreement with them because in any case Igbo Union ekwugide ọkwa ha eme anyị mee ha anyị gwa ha na ha na onye a because ama m na onye nwere something doing n'obodo a onye ebu mma na-akpagharị onye nwere something n'obodo a agaghị na-agba ibi anya onye nwere something n'obodo a ọkwa onye filo that na Malaysia bụ ọnọwụ just ọbata oburu ego gbafere so those type of people ihe ọbụla gbasara any other thing we can manage it personal so onye ọbụla ghọta the weight of onye mere iji meet ndị eke ahụ we are working the whole package so onye ka nkwu onye ọbụla ghọta we want to use it to fight crime n'obodo a because most of them anyị na ha bugoro ihe ha mụ onye bụ onye and that is the reason why enwe ihe mere nụ ha bịa ha dị confused then onye ọbụla nọ n'akụkụ eburu onye ahụ we are going to help them abịagodo kpụkwọsịcha onye ọbụla anyị pụta anyị agwa ndị eke ihe a na onye emeri ya
Ada
Thank you for your correction. Kunu go at the level because I want to say here we are talking about our union. Government get one idea. It doesn't wasn't the big picture. I register here. We're gonna have office like this. And when we get run this country, just put me right. You want me policy in one Igbo? They can't jog Igbo union number. It's in you don't have. Can't go. You go the problem. Can't go the force. I'm not going to hand it. We want to organize this. Now this now MBB chapter. Only the make sure. Yeah, we go. So bad here. So bad. Ndine we slow. Yeah, me worry. Kunu wata do chai dia. Abu mo entertainment dia na. Ijemren dia. Like others say we. Ijemren dia kyo. Akuno.
Ya politi ologbo abo. Maka ya juwe kutere oku ija funde ka sika tro ya flo. Ojo na wote anu. Ya tere wo abro. Rabada dia bagaba ma yeje mo je kan pass. Ma register go Igbo union before je funde ka. Metre kwesịrị ịtụ okwu ogbo ge ka ya do the gift ya tije and they go la ya tin envelope el mo ifa kwesịrị ka atụkọ ya ọla mara ihe dị ka ego le ta ka ya ada ha police station ka ya je I conclude ka I buy the one I want to thank you Samuel Jack Obinna Sanja I want individual Igbo union from day one. I want individual Igbo union from day one. Yes. They ma can be better for bill ego ne ka ga ne ha me bube ha. Oh, that's it. I'm on bill. So bill ego ne ka ga ne inde bro.
Sampai aku juga makan. Because ayah pukul ya kreatif. Nah, terus ayah pukul ya pasara ini ya. Sampai ya pukul because oke saya mah yang gua lawan anak kau. Betul berapa ini sih? Ada yang gua juga terhadap front dia agak tua tu. Mana kau mata Igbo union. Orang ya orang ini. Kalau orang yang orang yang ada hasil, nah, kaya mau use, always ada register. Malah ya kusiro, bare bona. Kaya naso mana orang yang apa try. Abo na itu Igbo union video since November kaya video. Batai itu dia ya video gua ada since November. 450 ringgit dah. Gua kita batai. Oh tak nice. Abo itu mana apa? Dia lain apa nasi mana ada.
Ibo kwenu
ya agene no tana na tuta ne mepoto wenu ayo
Our second agenda for today was an amount of 700 ringgit should be allocated on every general meeting for the general members on item 7. Food and drinks. Ibo kwenu?
Ibo kwenu?
Motion for finance. Ibo kwenu? Yeah. Apa mchukua kai lugu? So kai lugu apa monitor Anambra State. Dika ito our stand a meeting. Maybe now I had to go to the meeting, but now because it's all about money. You know, people have to the meeting. I have to say now maybe every vote money also like register for the register.
Because time ago, information in the Reketa out that now Igbo Union from our executive, Aja Hanandi now, Agana Rini. All here now. Nke Tony Neku. Now, because since I be Igbo Union, I be very careful. No one now. One, Igbo Union ad hoc club. anyị chọghị eru echi maka na ịfụ na mmadụ yi chen jiri gold esisi na inyewezi ya bil n'onye nwe ya weta ego adịzi n'Igbo Union o nwere ihe na-ekwụcha nke ahụ ọ gaghị agazi ime ọnwụkwụ n'Igbo Union ya nwa na-eche chere asị anyị need ịtụrụ anyị ego asị gị tụọ mgbe bịa meeting Igbo Union is going to provide this. We don't want to scare anything. That's the reason why when we got anybody immediate to Igbo Union, apart from Otuanato, I am too rich with I will need what he was like going to be very sensitive. I told her he again me tomorrow. In Checha Igbo Union, up Ipapana has not an Anna to ego. Not now. Get what I'm going to do, whatever. I need to hear. Because I'm meeting the meeting. If you have no Igbo Union, I need the other assistance from you. Try to do your own. Because even if you have 1 naira, it doesn't flash on what you do. If you don't know how to get working, I need our assistance. They just have me again. I'm running through to God. Whether I have got up to date, not up to date. No, I put the hand up. Why? You open up one year that day. Can I just? Because I didn't wear it. It's no way to make a man. I can move.
Because Madam Chuan, Leon booked an apple and a rich on our. It is a patch and our. I want to for your dues. I again need 150k because I've sent you some 100 ringgit. Dues give 50 ringgit. So yeah, you will put in now at least. What the guy will feel the leg or my town and I can realism now. So in the channel, you will go your mother for your dues. But
You go that time. It's get it.
What's the name?
The last one, I think this is a hot on the phone. I go keep
Malaysia n'akụkụ Puchong na Banda pụtara kpọmkpọm. Anyị nọkwa wee mee mitin ọgbakọ maka ọganihu anyị na ndụ anyị n'oge. Ịmara ihe anyị chọrọ. Onye ọbụla ji ego bata obodo a Jehova nye ego n'afa Jizọs. Onye ọbụla ọkpụkpụ ya dị n'obodo a Jehova mee ka o nweta ọkpụkpụ ya n'aha Jizọs. Chai Chineke, otuto na nsọpụrụ ya wụrụ nke naanị gị, n'ihi na naanị gị ruru otuto anyị. Anyị wee na-ayọ gị nchekwa na mkpuchite ọma ebe ọ bụla o si na mgbe ihe ọjọọ Chineke ahụmafụ anyị. Ọ na-eme n'iru anyị nọ n'azụ, ọ na-eme n'azụ anyị nọ n'iru, ọ na-eme n'iru n'azụ anyị nọ n'etiti, n'ihi na gịwa ndị gịwa bụ Jehova na ndị mmụọ ozi wara anyị okirikiri. Onye chọrọ anyị okwu ya ga-achọta mmụọ nsọ, ọ chọtacha mmụọ nsọ ya ga-achọta Jizọs wee rute ebe ị nọ tupu o metụwa ya aka. N'ihi nke a o nwere ihe mmadụ pụrụ ime anyị n'aha Jizọs. Dịka anyị na-eruwere obodo isi Jehova ka obodo a ruwere anyị isi n'aha Jizọs. Anyị sikwa ebe a pụọ ebe ọ bụla anyị ga-eje Jehova, anyị nọkwa n'oge aka ya, n'ihi na ịkwara anyị n'akwụkwọ nsọ n'ụwa niile na ogbe aka. Onye zuzuo ịtụtụrụ ya tụfuo, mana Jehova n'ihi ebere gị atụfula anyị, anyị na-ezuzukwa mana atụfula anyị n'aha Jizọs. Meere anyị ebere, nyere anyị aka, ruo anyị, gozie anyị, ka otuto niile bụrụ nke naanị gị n'aha Jizọs Kraịst onye nwe anyị. Amen.
Ya le